If your home feels cluttered, cramped, or chaotic, this video will change your life. These 15 viral Amazon products are blowing up in the US, and trust me, you're going to want every single one. Stay till the end, because number 2 is a $300 problem solver hiding in plain sight. Welcome to Gear Lab, the home of insanely clever Amazon finds that make life smoother, smarter, and so much cooler. We scout the internet. You reap the rewards. Smash that like button if you've ever bought something from Amazon, because what's coming will make you hit add to cart before we even reach number 5. Let's dive into 15 Amazon genius products that are silently upgrading homes across America. Now it's your turn. Ever lost your remote, coffee mug, and sanity in your couch cushions? This C-shaped side table slides under your sofa like a genius. With storage drawers, a basket, and wheels, it's the sidekick your couch deserves. Perfect for late night, Netflix, or laptop warriors. Comment, where's this been all my life? Air dry up to 30 clothes without a single wrinkle using the HANYCONY tripod. Compact, collapsible, and rotatable, this isn't your grandma's drying line. It folds flat and saves space like a pro. Laundry day just got a level up. Who else loves the smell of air-dried sheets? Meet the rustic brown stunner that hides up to 32 shoes without looking like a clunky storage box. With a top shelf for plants and metal legs for style, this shoe cabinet says organized and aesthetic. Anti-tip safety included. What's your biggest entryway eyesore right now? Spices taking over your countertop? These magnetic racks cling to your fridge like they were born there. No screws, no drills. Just instant, minimalist organization. Over 19 colors to match your vibe. Fridge side equals underutilized real estate, agree? Whether it's beach gear, groceries, or camping coolers, this foldable cart can carry up to 360 pounds. Lightweight but rugged, it folds down in seconds. Weatherproof, road trip proof. Where would you roll this cart first? Cut your prep time in half. This 4-in-1 chopper dices, slices, and spiralizes like a food prep ninja. Bonus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is effortless. Zoodles? Done. Who else is in their meal prep era? Charge everything phones, laptops, tablets with 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C. The braided cord and flat plug are just chef's kiss. ETL listed. Safe. Compact. How many devices are you charging right now? Wash, strain, dry. Do it all over your sink with this genius colander that extends up to 19 inches. It's dishwasher safe and comes in 12 cute colors. Drop your favorite kitchen gadget in the comments. Slide it under your bed, couch, or closet and boom. Hidden wheels make it glide. Each bin holds 66 pounds and has a label window, so you know what's inside without opening it. Declutter without ditching. What's hiding under your bed? This is the last desk you'll ever buy. Electric lift, memory presets, and a load capacity of 176 pounds. Supports dual monitors like a boss. For gamers, creators, remote warriors. Should standing desks be standard by now? This sleek, stainless steel bar keeps knives sharp and stylishly displayed. It's more sanitary than wooden blocks and doubles as a tool rack for your garage. Add that modern kitchen edge. Do you trust magnetic holders for knives? Two tiers, rust-proof. Stylish AF, the Sakugi dish rack turns chaos into calm. With drain board and cutlery holder, it's the unsung hero of tidy kitchens. Who else has a dish mountain problem? Block cold air, bugs, and noise with this underdoor stopper. Peel stick done. Save on energy bills and keep your peace intact. Asterisk house or new, these are a must, right? Brooms falling over? Mops in the corner like sad spaghetti? Fix it with this wall-mounted holder 5 slots and 6 hooks and boom vertical organization. Garage chaos? This or that hack. "500 square feet of cool, quiet, efficient air. This AC unit dehumidifies, purifies, and cools with dual hoses and auto drain. Don't suffer this summer, this is your escape button. 14,000 BTU? More like 14,000 reasons to breathe easier. Is this the best home investment under $600? Every one of these products was handpicked to make your home smarter, cooler, and 100% more livable. The links are in the description. Don't just window shop. Your next favorite upgrade is one click away. Comment which product made it to your cart first, and if we miss one you swear by, tell us. Subscribe now, because the next video might feature your favorite Amazon find. Smash like if this helped you discover something new. Shop links below. Support the channel and upgrade your home.